If your home in Conway feels drafty in winter or struggles to stay cool during hot, humid summers, your doors may be part of the problem. Many homeowners focus on windows when thinking about energy efficiency, but outdated or poorly sealed doors can quietly drive up utility bills and reduce indoor comfort. Installing replacement doors is one of the most effective upgrades you can make to improve energy efficiency while enhancing your home's appearance and value. Stop air leaks before they start. Older doors often develop gaps around the frame, worn weather stripping, or warping from years of use. These small openings allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to creep in, forcing your heating and cooling system to work overtime. Energy-efficient replacement doors are designed with tighter seals, improved frames, and precision installation that helps eliminate air leakage. For Conway homeowners, this means fewer cold drafts during winter and better control over indoor temperatures during the long cooling season. When your home stays sealed, your HVAC system runs more efficiently, and that shows up in lower energy bills. Improved insulation for year-round comfort. Modern replacement doors are built with advanced insulation materials that far outperform older wood or hollow core doors. Many options feature insulated cores made from foam or composite materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. This improved insulation keeps heat inside during cooler months and blocks outdoor heat during warmer months. The result is a home that feels consistently comfortable from room to room, without hot or cold spots near entryways. Over time, this steady temperature control reduces strain on your HVAC system and extends its lifespan. Lower energy bills without sacrificing style. Energy efficiency doesn't mean sacrificing curb appeal. Today's replacement doors come in a wide range of styles, finishes, and materials that complement both modern and traditional homes in Conway. Whether you prefer a classic front entry door, a sleek patio door, or a sturdy side entry, energy-efficient options are designed to look just as good as they perform. Many homeowners notice a measurable drop in monthly energy costs after upgrading their doors. Even modest savings add up year after year, making replacement doors a smart long-term investment rather than just a cosmetic upgrade. Better performance against Conway's climate. Conway's climate brings humidity, temperature swings, and seasonal storms, all of which can impact door performance. Energy-efficient replacement doors are built to handle these conditions with durable materials that resist warping, moisture damage, and heat transfer. High-quality doors maintain their seal and insulation over time, even when exposed to changing weather. This reliability helps protect your home from moisture intrusion and air loss, contributing to better indoor air quality and reduced energy waste. Added value and peace of mind. Energy-efficient upgrades are increasingly important to today's homeowners and buyers alike. Installing replacement doors can boost your home's overall value while making it more attractive to future buyers who prioritize comfort and efficiency. Beyond resale value, there's also peace of mind in knowing your home is better protected from energy loss, rising utility costs, and unpredictable weather. Replacement doors offer a simple yet powerful way to enhance both daily living and long-term savings. A smart upgrade for any Conway home. Whether your current doors are outdated, damaged, or simply inefficient, replacing them is a practical step toward a more comfortable and energy-efficient home. With improved insulation, tighter seals, and modern designs, replacement doors help Conway homeowners reduce energy waste without compromising style or functionality. If you're looking for an upgrade that delivers real performance benefits while improving the look and feel of your home, energy-efficient replacement doors are an investment that pays off every day.